Hi guys, welcome to my latest video. This is going to be another really quick snippet of a video. I'm just going to show you the delivery I've just received by truck, and I'm really pleased this has arrived because I'm so desperate to get it because I'm on my last roll. And here it is, a pallet of bubble wrap. So I've now got to get this up my driveway and probably going to stick it in my shed temporarily until I've found somewhere else to go. Looks like it's about to rain. It's a bit of a cloudy day out there, so I want to get this in before it rains. So I had a plan to put this on the wheelbarrow just there, but unfortunately that didn't work out. It was too top heavy, and I'm just completely knackered now for getting this up the drive. Basically I had to roll it up just like this, and I've put a few in the back of my car. I'll bring those up another time. But this will last me a good while. I'm really pleased these have arrived because I was desperate for them. Yeah, so thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.